Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is me Rahul here, and today in this video we'll be doing the quick unboxing and review of this CCZ Solo DC02 IEM. These are budget-friendly IEM that comes under $20 price range, and further I have provided the link in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get started. Now let's unbox this and see what do we get inside the box. The first thing we see is the earbuds itself, and it is a silver color variant, and it also comes in black color option as well. These are some additional ear tips with different sizes. You can choose whichever size is comfortable to use. Now here comes the cable with 3.5mm headphone pin. And this pin is used to connect the earbuds. The wire quality of this cable is decent, and it is said to be made up of oxygen-free copper. At the end we have this user manual that has all the details mentioned about this IEM. Now let's come back to the device. The first thing that impressed me is the design itself with transparent body. And it is lightweight. And it has this rubber accent that makes it more comfortable while wearing. This IEM is said to be using dual magnetic circuit, and it produces high resolution sound. This is how we connect the cable with the earbuds. I tested this IEM with different levels of sound, and I found the bass is punchy without being overpowering. The mids are clear and the highs are not that great, but considering the price, it is impressive. I also wonder how well it isolates the external noise, and it does a great job by keeping the distractions out so you can fully enjoy your music. I have been using this for a while now. I can say the amount of sound it produces is decent, and it could have been slightly better, but still it is better at this price range. And if you are a beginner or someone looking for a budget IEMs with decent performance, I would recommend you to try this CCZ Solo DC02 IEM. And further, I have provided the link in the description below. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.